Plant FAQs, Colocasia coal miner. Colocasia coal miner. Unveiling the dramatic dark jewel of your garden. Hi, Ferbvu here. I'm a passionate plant enthusiast, and today, I want to delve into the captivating world of the Colocasia coal miner. This stunning elephant ear variety isn't your average houseplant. It boasts a dramatic, almost black foliage that makes a bold statement in any setting. If you're curious about bringing this unique plant into your life, you've come to the right place. This FAQ will answer all your burning questions about the Colocasia coal miner, from care tips to its unique characteristics. See more 14 species in genus Colocasia at monsteraholic.com. What is a Colocasia coal miner? The Colocasia coal miner is a cultivar, cultivated variety, of the Colocasia esculenta, commonly known as the elephant ear plant. It's a tropical tuberous perennial native to Southeast Asia. This specific cultivar is prized for its mesmerizing dark foliage. The large, heart-shaped leaves boast a deep, almost black color with a subtle sheen. The veins are often a contrasting lighter green, adding depth and dimension to the visual feast. How does the coal miner differ from other elephant ear varieties? There are several popular elephant ear varieties, each with its own charm. Here's a quick breakdown of how the coal miner stands out. Color. The coal miner's near-black foliage is a striking departure from the more common green shades found in other elephant ears, like the Black Magic or Thailand Black. Size. The coal miner can reach a mature height of 4 to 5 feet, making it a more substantial presence compared to varieties like the Illustrious, which typically max out at around 3 feet. Leaf texture. New growth on the coal miner boasts a stunning velvety sheen, adding a luxurious touch. Is the coal miner easy to care for? The Colocasia coal miner is generally considered a moderately easy plant to care for, as long as you provide its basic needs. Here are some key points to remember. Light. It thrives in bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh midday sun, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Consistent watering is crucial, but avoid soggy soil. Allow the top inch of soil to dry slightly between waterings. Soil. Well-draining, fertile potting mix is ideal. Consider adding perlite or orchid bark for extra drainage. Temperature. Warmth is key. Aim for temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Protect your coal miner from frost. Humidity. Moderate to high humidity is preferred. Grouping plants together or using a humidifier can help. Can I grow the coal miner outdoors? Yes. The Colocasia coal miner can be grown outdoors in USDA hardiness zones 7B to 10B. However, it's not frost-tolerant. If you live in a colder climate, enjoy it as a container plant and bring it indoors before the first frost. Does the coal miner produce flowers? The Colocasia coal miner, like most elephant ears, is primarily grown for its foliage. While it may occasionally produce small, insignificant flowers, the true star of the show is the dramatic dark leaves. Is the coal miner toxic? Yes, the Colocasia coal miner, like all Colocasia varieties, is toxic if ingested. Keep it out of reach of children and pets. Where can I buy a Colocasia coal miner? Many online plant retailers and nurseries offer the Colocasia coal miner. You can find it as a tuber or a starter plant. Final thoughts. The Colocasia coal miner is a truly captivating plant that adds a touch of drama and elegance to any space. With its minimal care needs and stunning visuals, it's a perfect choice for plant enthusiasts of all levels. So, if you're looking for a unique conversation starter for your home, consider welcoming the coal miner into your botanical family.